What's good, YouTube? It is Net1 Reactions or DeMarcus Nobles. I'm not going to get into the fact that I cannot change my name, so just deal with it, honestly. Right now I'm going to be reacting to Robot Chicken Funniest Moments. It should be number 1. I used to love watching Robot Chicken. Unfortunately, as a kid, I did used to watch it, sneak downstairs and watch it, but that's besides the point. Any of my relatives that are elders, if you're watching this, now you know why I act the way I act. But that's besides the point. I'm going to get into this reaction, and before I even start it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe on this video, and make sure to share with your friends. I can give you more great content, and let's go. 3, 2, 1. I can tell that's not a part of Robot Chicken. Okay, then.
Okay, guys, Andy's almost home from college for spring break.
I love their parodies of shows.
They celebrate a spring break, and that's the saddest time for me.
Oh, Slink.
Silly canine.
What a freaking jerk.
Andy's here.
All right, ladies, single file front and center, commander-in-chief on the premises.
Tell my story.
And to get it in.
What's going on up there?
Oh!
Help that girl, Sarge.
Oh, gosh, she won't stop screaming.
This is awesome.
Oh!
Damn it, I left my favorite toy back at the dorm.
His favorite toy?
Time to improvise.
Oh, God.
What's he doing with Buzz?
Yes, and ready for a test drive.
He didn't. Not Buzz.
To infinity and beyond. Domino, motherfucker.
Buzz?
What did he do to Buzz?
Hello, Woody. Do you know what my daddy did? Poop. He pooped.
Dude, I really do not know what he did to Buzz, but that jump does not look good.
It's okay, pal. We're here for you.
And the farmer, he hauls another load away. By load. By load.
Good night, sweet prince.
We're gonna play tomorrow?
You bet, pal. You bet.
To infinity.
What? Why Robot Chicken gotta be dark with this crap? I hope I do not have to see these lobsters doing this crap over and over again. Pandora. Okay, so apparently this is a remake on Avatar.
Everything in this jungle wanna eat you, baby. I can't blame them cause you look so fine. I wanna give you sexual rabies. Give me that sweet, sweet monkey vagina. Though I wanna put your pelvis in traction on Pandora, the main attraction is Blue Rabbit in. Blue Rabbit in.
What?
Blue Rabbit in.
Bruh.
Rabbit sex in the Lord of the Rings. Smack her in the ass with your ponytail thing. Sully was a soldier in a bad position. He won't be scoring with their spinal condition. They put him in a body with a tail and fangs. And what we are presuming is a indigo wang. Now he's gonna nail all the beaver he wanna. While the animators spank it to Zoe Saldana.
What in the world is going
And
on?
now we've got Blue Rabbit in.
Oh, the towel. Well, me and Checkers here get a little crummy watching my stories. Now, you guys are working. I'll be in the den.
I have the power!
But do you have the remote? I was just joking. I
Is he
thought it'd
supposed
be,
to be
you
like
know.
his roommate or something?
Anyway, you're busy. Hey, Adam, I can't find Discovery Channel for the life of me. Do we even get that? It's Shark Week. Bum, bum, bum. But love me some Shark Week. Never missed it. True story. All right. If you think of the channel, give me old shouty shout. Back to work.
Suckwack! I'm sure you'll be happy here, Dad.
So,
that's his dad.
This is me placing an order for some spicy nachos, some guacamole. Wouldn't mind that on the side if you don't mind the mild kind, because...
You'll observe lights out, or I'll knock your lights out. Take that in.
Oh, nursing home. I wasn't even paying attention to that.
Garfield, we have some bad news.
Oh, someone got a case of the Mondays.
You have type 2 diabetes.
Oh, Garfield.
Oh, my
your love of
God.
lasagna was your undoing.
Actually, his astoundingly irresponsible owner was his undoing.
Oh, Garfield
Ooh.
plays by his own rules, Liz.
We need to remove all 4 feet.
What? Hands too?
You don't have hands, Garfield. You're not people. You're a pet with no job or income who somehow managed to consume enormous quantities of Italian cuisine year after year.
How much is this going to cost?
Oh, about $2,200.
No.
John.
You did this to him.
That's like a used car, man. I can't drop that kind of cash into a 13-year-old cat. No. No.
Everybody
Negatory,
knows this is how
good
John really
buddy.
felt.
Not giving you no. What's it gonna be, Garfield 2? Dry food or spaghetti and meatballs? Excellent. I knew you'd make the right choice.
What in the... Do they have to keep doing these intros?
I've had the best time tonight.
Me too. You know, when Jennifer said she had a cute friend, I had no idea she'd be a Silverhawk.
Let's, skip dessert. What do you think?
That is so hot. How do I take your armor off?
Armor? That's my body.
What?
Partly metal, partly real. It's in our theme song.
Oh, yeah,
my God.
so how do we...
Just pound on my crotch with this ball-peen hammer. Oh, yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Am I doing
Are
it?
you kidding me?
Is this what...
Yes.
All right, I'm swinging it.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Can I show this?
Yeah. Is this doing something?
Ow!
Piss on it! I hit my thumb.
Shh. Do you hear that?
I think I want to go home now.
Donated my body
To science?
to this Chinese restaurant. Let's get dangerous. Hey, hold on. Wait, hold on. You said this would be humane. Quick, flyers. Stop. What the hell? Please slit my throat first. Kill me. Come on. What the
We're live, I want to cook better.
Okay.
Hey, what's up?
I do not understand how these games are hard. This type of Mario game. What is going on? Halo? What? Okay. Dang. Okay then. Y'all, that was my reaction to Robot Chicken Funniest Moments. These things, I'm not gonna lie, they weren't as funny as they used to be. And I haven't even seen a lot of these, but Robot Chicken, I still feel like they got some funny moments and everything like that. There were a couple good ones in here. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on my video. Make sure to share these videos with your friends and go subscribe to my gaming channel, which will be in the description down below. That'll be all for my uploads for today. I'm only gonna upload 3 videos to my reaction channel today. There should be one video for my gaming channel today. It should be Walking Dead. Hopefully it'll be up today. If not, it'll be up early tomorrow. And with that, I'm going to get out of here. Peace.